Ethel got out this morning and she got all the way over in the corner by the horse fence. So I came out and called her. And she saw me and she came running over and said, "Oh, heck with that, I'm going to fly." It was so funny. I wish I had my camera, which is why I'm narrating my trip to the girls. Because nothing happened. Figures. Hey, Ethel. Yeah, hi, girl. How are you? What's up? Hey, Ethel. Ethel, what are you doing? You stinky girl. You are. Hey, Lucy. What's going on? You guys can figure out how to get out? There you go. It's time to go to bed. Ethel, get back. You're so ornery. You're an ornery chicken. You're an ornery chicken. You are. You're an ornery chicken. Do you know that? Where are you going? I'm not going. You're trying to sneak out behind me, aren't you? You're a stinker. Hey, Ethel. What? I have nothing. I have nothing. I have nothing. I do. I have treats. You know that, don't you? You want treats. They're in my pocket. Sorry. You're a funny girl. Oh, and there's the horses. Somewhere.